Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss about the topic electrochemical CO2 reaction mechanism. So how the reaction takes place in a reactor I will show, how the reactor is there I will show. So this is the electrochemical reactor and three important parts are there in the reactor. One is cathode, electrolyte and anode. Then what is the use of these three different parts? Let's discuss. At the anode, oxidation takes place. Oxidation is nothing but removal of oxygen or proton or electrons. And at the cathode, reduction takes place, is nothing but addition of proton or electrons. And the electrolyte is used for the passing of ions between anode and cathode. So how the reaction takes place, let's discuss. See, at the anode, water molecule is breaking down into oxygen, proton and electrons. Electrons are going from the outer circuit to the cathode side and oxygen is going out and protons are passing through the electrolyte. So at the cathode surface, this CO2 is reacting with these protons and electrons, gives different types of products. This is a reaction mechanism. If you see, so what is the use of this reactor and why we need to decrease the CO2 or why we need to convert the CO2 into useful products? So day-to-day increasing of CO2 concentration in the atmosphere causes global warming effect. So to reduce this effect, we need to convert this CO2 into some useful product. So by this method, we can convert the CO2 into some useful products. So how, if you see, this is in the reduction reaction, the CO2, proton and electrons gives some format ion and different protons gives different types of products. So based on the amount of energy given to the reactant, different types of products can be produced in this method. So not only these methanol, methane, ethanol, ethane, different types of products, useful products we can make by using this reactor. So in this way what we can do, CO2 concentration in the atmosphere can be reduced. At the same time we can convert the CO2 into some useful product. So at the same time another good thing here is we are making oxygen as another product which we pass through which we pass into the atmosphere. That means we are increasing the concentration of oxygen in the atmosphere, so we are purifying the air. So in this way this is very useful reactor. By using this reactor we can convert the CO2 into some useful products. And I want to, like, if you want to see the real reactor, like simple reactor, you can see my previous video, one or I think first or second video. There I showed how bubbles will form at the anode and cathode, all these things, and it looks very beautiful, and people can understand how by using solar instant directly solar energy how we can make the reaction happens. Thank you.